Is the QBasic window visible to online class? Yes, online class. Is the QBasic window visible, bete? Puranjay, give the response. Prerna, okay. Fine, Prerna. Thank you. All right. So online class, in the last week, I started chapter 6 of QBasic, and I was discussing if then else. As you people have not attended the previous lecture, so I am repeating it again for you. Okay? And now be regular. Okay? Beta, if then else is a decision control statements. For example, I give one very live example to you. सपोज कीजिए आपको कहा गया कि कल छुट्टी है. इफ यू हैव दिस इंफॉर्मेशन कि कल छुट्टी है, तो आप क्या प्लान करते हो? अगर कल छुट्टी हुई तो आई विल गो टू माई रिलेटिव्स हाउस, एल्स आई विल कम टू स्कूल. आप डिसीजन ले रहे हो ना, आप प्लान कर रहे हो. यू आर मेकिंग डिसीजन. इफ टुमारो विल बी हॉलीडे, I will go to my relative's house. Else, otherwise, I will come to school. किस किस को कंडीशन क्लियर होगी ब्रेन में कि सर क्या कहना चाहते हैं? अब there will be one work. Either you will go to your relative's house, either you will come to school. Can you do two works at the same time? कि सुबह स्कूल भी जा रहे हो और अपने जो आपके रिश्तेदार हैं उनके घर भी जा रहे हो? नॉट पॉसिबल. नाउ दिस प्लान, दिस डिसीजन इज बेस्ड ऑन वन कंडीशन. व्हाट इज दैट कंडीशन? इफ अगर टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे, इफ टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे, देन आई विल डू दिस, otherwise I will do this. या ये करूंगा या ये करूंगा, दोनों में से एक काम होगा. Both works cannot be done at the same time. Clear? So to frame such things in QBasic programming, we have if then else. We have if then else. All the offline students, tomorrow you have to bring the book. Whenever you will come in the lab, bete, you will come with the book and rough notebook. Okay? So tomorrow all of you who are coming for offline classes will bring book along with you. Don't forget. Okay, bete? Clear hai bachche aapko? All right. So let us make the first program of if then else. The program is, if marks of the child are more than 70, the child is pass. If less than 70, child is fail. So how to make the program? First of all, print input the marks of student. Input M. Input M. With the help of input statement, we take data from the user. Input statement के through QBasic user से data enter करवाता है, and user enters the data from the keyboard. Okay, clear? M is the variable. Any variable you can take. I have taken M. You can take A, B, C, D, marks. Any variable you can take. Right? In this variable, your marks will be stored. Clear? Got it? Now, if click here. If marks more than equal to 70, then if marks more than equal to 70, या 70 के बराबर हो या 70 से ज्यादा हो, then print pass. If condition is true, अगर बच्चे के मार्क्स 70 से बराबर या 70 से ज्यादा हुए तो, if condition is true, then do this. then क्या, बच्चा पास है, print pass. else, वरना the child is fail. Okay, one thing will happen, either the child is pass, either the child is fail. डिपेंड किस पे करेगा बेटे, कंडीशन पे. दैट व्हाट इज द कंडीशन, इज कंडीशन ट्रू और कंडीशन फेल, इज कंडीशन ट्रू और कंडीशन फेल्स. गॉट इट? समझ आ गया सबको? ये ऑनलाइन क्लास, इज द कोडिंग क्लियर? भव्या, प्रेरणा, बानी, पूरंजय, सुहाना, लक्षित, सृष्टि, raise your thumb if coding is clear to all of you. Anmol, Jarewal, Harshia, Aniket, Rishita, Aniket Verma. No response coming from your side. Kirat Pal, Kanav Sahni, Kashish. Is the coding clear to all of you? All right. So here we write and if. And if. After closing the if structure, we will say and if. This is compulsory to write to end the if block. Now to run the QBasic program, either you click on the run menu or press F5 function key. Run menu, click on start option. The file is being input marks of the student. I say 80. Child is pass. क्योंकि 80 more than 70, condition true हो गई, बच्चा पास हो गया. Okay, the child is passing. Let us try it once again. Input marks of a student, I enter 60. What will get print? Fail. Very good. Very nice. Very good response. Prerna, am I clear to you? All right. All right. Bhavya, Bani, बच्चे clear है? Yes, बेटे. No, it's nothing. Uska. All right. Now I practice with you people one more program. Okay. Now the program is, I will find the average of three numbers. If average is more than 80, we will print A grade, otherwise print B grade. Okay. Shall we run the program? Click on file, click on new, print, enter marks 1. Input M1. M1 means my variable, marks 1, M1. I told you, you can take any variable. Okay. Print, enter marks 2. input M2, print, enter marks 3, input marks 3. Okay, am I clear to all? Now I have to add these 3 marks. M4 equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. टोटल आ गया ना बच्चे का 3 सब्जेक्ट्स का, M1 plus M2 plus M3, and whatever total has come, I have assigned to variable M4. Okay, let me see how many of you have understood it. Online class, you also raise your hand when I'll ask questions. Only raise your hand. What does M1 shows? Marks in the first subject. Very good. M2, Arjun. Marks in the second subject. M3, marks in the third subject. Very nice. Very good. What does M4 shows? Okay, this question for online class. Yes, Puranjay, unmute yourself. कहाँ चला जाता है? Puranjay, unmute yourself. Are you getting me my voice, Puranjay? बेटे unmute yourself, बच्चे. Am I audible, Puranjay? बेटे unmute yourself. Unmute नहीं हो रहा? Okay, okay, no problem. Bani, am I audible to you? बेटे unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bani, tell me what is the role of M4?
The total marks in first subject and third subject.
Total marks in 4 subjects. Okay. That is represented by M4. Okay. Now I have to find the average. Now I have to find the average. Okay. So what I will do, I will write variable A V E R A G E. Okay. Equal to M4. How to find average? You have done in maths. Number total divided by number of items. How many subjects are there? 3. So M4 divided by 3. M4 divided by 3. So here I print the average. Here I print the average. Okay. If average more than equal to 80, then print A grade, sorry, grade A. Grade A, else print grade B. And if. Okay. Am I clear to all? Enter marks in first subject 70, marks in second subject 80, marks in third subject 90, 70 plus 80, 150, 150 plus 90, 240, 240 divided by 3, 240 divided by 3, 80. तो कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई ना? कंडीशन क्या आती है हमारी? या 80 हो या 80 के बराबर हो. बेटे बैक बेंचर्स प्लीज, there are only 2 periods in the week, beta. Pay attention here, okay? You are very sweet child, very nice child. Pay attention here, okay? Online class, is the program clear? Puranjay, Bhavya, Prerna, logic is clear? Lakshit, Suhana, Srishti, Lakshit Kapoor, bete logic is clear? ऑफलाइन क्लास आपको क्लियर हो गया? एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं इसकी. ओके, आई टेक एग्जांपल. मार्क्स 1 20, मार्क्स 2 30, मार्क्स 3 अगेन 20. The child fails. Average is 23.333 and condition fails क्योंकि 23.33 80 से ज्यादा तो नहीं है ना, तो हमारी कंडीशन फेल हो गई. तो हमारा बच्चे का ग्रेड क्या आया? बी. ओके, आई होप द प्रोग्राम इज क्लियर, thoroughly clear. Okay, now what all relational operate, these are, you can see this more than equal to. I just open the notepad file here. Beta, is the notepad file visible to all? Is the notepad file visible? All right. Now, कौन से रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स हम यूज करते हैं? बेटा, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स आर यूज्ड टू मेक कंपैरिजंस, नॉट प्लस माइनस बेटे. लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन, इक्वल टू. जैसे मैथ्स में कैसे कहोगे कि ये नंबर इस नंबर से बड़ा है? इफ दिस नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन. ओके, सो दिस इज साइन ऑफ लेस देन, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, equal to, not equal to. This is the symbol of not equal to. This is equal to. Okay, these are all the relational operators which are used in the QBasic programming. Now, what are the mathematical operators which are used? Mathematical operators, or there is another name, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators कौन कौन से हैं बेटे? प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड, and then is exponent. What is exponent? Raised to power. A raised to power 2. मैथ्स में किया ना पावर. A into A, A into A, A raised to power 2. Okay, yes, online class, am I clear? Online class, give your feedback fast. Beta, that is modulus. See here, good question he has asked. Beta, one thing is divide. This is divide. If I say 4 divided by 2, this symbol will give the quotient. Divide करके जो quotient आता ना ऊपर, ये वो result देगा. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 is the quotient. When I say 4% 2, percent symbol is called modulus. Modulus. प्रोग्रामिंग के अंदर परसेंटेज सिंबल को कहते हैं मॉड्यूलस. इट ऑलवेज गिव्स द रिमाइंडर. It always gives the remainder. Now divide 4 by 2, remainder will be 0. But in QBasic, this operator is not used. Instead of percentage symbol, we use operator mod. We say 4 mod 2. Mod means modulus. Students are entering in the last 5 minutes. Mod means modulus. It will give the remainder. Okay, I just show you in the practical see here, जैसे आपको इवन नंबर चेक करने, इवन नंबर क्या होता है? जो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो जाए. So I just remove this code. I make the coding of even numbers. मैं 2 नंबर इनपुट करा रहा हूं, ठीक है. Input any number, right? If M1 mod 2 equal to 0, then print even number, else print odd number. Clear? Any doubt? फोर 2 से मॉडुलस होके 0 रिमाइंडर देता है. बेटा, इफ यू आर नॉट सीरियस इन द लेक्चर, यू आर बिजी विद योर ओन क्रिएटिव वर्क, तो यू कैन टेल मी. The percent symbol, which is modulus in other programming languages, in QBasic we use mod, MOD. Now I take number 3. 3 modulus 2, remainder क्या आएगा? 1. You divide 3 by 2, remainder will be 1. So it is not a factor of 2, odd number. It is odd number. बेटे आपको क्लियर है? आपको बच्चे, लास्ट 2 बॉयज, आपको बेटा क्लियर है? अर्जुन, नेक्स्ट टू अर्जुन, आपको बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लास जिनको क्लियर है थंब रेस करो. क्विकली गिव मी योर रिस्पॉन्स. सो टुडे यू हैव डन 4-5 programs of if then else. Beta, recording of the lecture is always in the YouTube. If you find any difficulty in any program, you can watch the video again. Akriti, am I clear, बच्चे?